Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing a love reading for you. So Aquarians, if you've been on my channel before, you know that the earlier readings were you and yours, where I was reading for you and anyone who was affecting your energy. Of course, those will continue, but this one is particularly just you and your love interest. So let's see what June's going to bring in love for my lovely Aquarians. Dealing with the past love, dealing with somebody right now, or is there a new love coming into your life? So let's start cutting your cards. Dear angels, send us a message for Aquarius and for their love interest as to what they're going through now. So Aquarius, while I lay your cards down. If you're a subscriber, great. If you aren't, why don't you take this time to just hit that subscribe button, and so we can keep meeting and keep, check on your energies. Oh, I have the sun bottom of the deck. That's a great way to begin a love reading, Aquarius. Let's begin now. So let's see what was happening in the past for both of you. Oh, that's not bad. In the past, you brought in a stable offer to someone. Okay, there was a solid, steadfast offer. A gift or something you took to the other person. You've known this person. This is definitely somebody from your past. Okay, you've known this person for some time, and you've known them forever, and it was a good feeling, and you started something on a very stable ground with them. You're also a bit stressed out, okay? You're feeling a bit stressed out to see whether this person is going to accept your offer or not. But from their side, I see, Aquarius, they also have the Six of Pentacles in their energy in the past, where they were pretty good with you, and there was equal give and take in this relationship. They felt this was balanced, but they were probably a little stern with you. They were not very trusting of this relationship in the past, and that kind of stressed you out. Let's take one more card. Yeah, they felt that maybe whatever offer you were bringing them was not genuine, and they wanted more clarification maybe, and they let it be known, and that led you to feeling a little stressed out. So what were the outside influences which were affecting this relationship? There was nothing really bad, Aquarius. There was some message maybe which came to one or both the people, and the person's used it. This is good. The past was pretty good. It was balanced. There were messages going back and forth. There was an equal give and take. I have the Justice card here as well. There were talks of how to bring this relationship into fruition and balance. Everything seemed good in the past for both of you. Anything else, Spirit, for their past energy, Aquarius and their person? Oops, yeah. See, there was a lot of love here. Bring it closer to the camera. There was a lot of love. It was a balanced relationship. There was equal give and take. But you were a bit stressed because this person probably was a little stern with you and was not really trusting of you in the past. So presently, how do you feel? Presently, you're feeling like the King of Wands in reverse. And your person, they're feeling like the Four of Wands in reverse. So why is Aquarius feeling like the King of Wands in reverse? I think because you are not being able to move, with the passion that you want to move this relationship forward. Maybe because even though this person is loving, lovable, very intuitive and everything, but not really showing you the kind of love that you're expecting. Okay, maybe they're not revealing all their innermost, feelings for you, and maybe just treating you like a good friend at the moment. They're pretending, from what I see, because I do see them in the past having equal love for you. But right now, I don't think you are being able to move towards them as passionately, or maybe there are circumstances right now in your life that are not allowing you to move as passionately as you would like to this, I have the King of Wands again, upright this time. Yes, there is a lot of passion here. I have the Knight of Wands, I have the King of Wands, and I have the King of Wands. Like three times I've had the Knight and King of Wands here. You really want to have a reunion with this Queen of cups here, but somehow you're not being able to do that. Maybe you're stuck in your own homes at the moment, or at a distance because of this lockdown that's happened, and it's frustrating you. It's really frustrating this one person A, if this is you, Aquarius. Now what's happening on their side? So they are in the Four of Swords in reverse. So they are feeling quite miserable too. They are not in a very happy space themselves. They're feeling, oh my God, the sun has gone down on my life, and they're also feeling sad and miserable without you, and they're looking as to when whatever has stopped in the past maybe can be brought back into life, and there can be a resurrection of this relationship. They want to start this chapter soon and fast, and whatever has stopped this thing to come together, they want to now. They're praying and hoping and wishing for the sun to come up again and to have brightness and love and laughter in their lives, and they want to re-begin. They really want to work together, once again with you, and this is going to probably happen very suddenly. Okay, not all tower moments are bad. They're waiting for this to suddenly one day for things to change, things to open up again maybe, and to get a message or something from you to say that, hey, we can be together again and coming back or something like that. So they are looking forward to this rebirth of this relationship, and they want it done now. So in the month of June, I see you have the Star, but it's in reverse. And they have the Seven of Swords. And let's see the outcome. Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so new beginnings are coming, definitely. A new start is coming for you, Aquarius. It may take a little time in June from what I see. Things are not moving as fast as you'd like them to. So let's take a clarifier. Why is the Star in reverse for Aquarius in the month of June, Spirit? Because something of the past is ending. Okay, so you'll have to, maybe there are things that you need to finish off in the past. You're finishing that off. You're taking charge of whatever is still incomplete that you have to do, and you are in the beginning stages of starting a new cycle. So sometimes what happens, Aquarius, you come to an in-between zone where you've let the past go and the new is still to come. So I think in the month of June, you are still in that phase of completing one phase of your life to come into this new beautiful Ace of Pentacle phase of your life. Because you see, in the outcome, I do have not only the Ace of Pentacles for both of you, I also have the Sun upright. Okay, so right now there's a bit of delay here in coming together to start this new cycle of your life. So you're feeling a little miserable. You want this so bad. Aquarius, you want to start this new cycle so bad, and it's coming. It's definitely coming, because these cards are coming out in the month of June. Okay, so even though you're not happy that it's taken that long, you are definitely starting a new chapter of your life with your loved one or whatever. There'll be stability. There is a new beginning here. And yes, you are going to be incredibly happy. But your person has a strange card right now, which is the Seven of Swords. Okay, so this is a card of someone sneaking away. Are they sneaking away to come and see you, or what is this? Let's take a card, because normally it's not a very positive card, but in this spread, it doesn't come across as a negative card at all. I think they're doing anything and again. Oh my God, Seven of Swords is clarified by the Seven of Swords. Okay, it's almost like they're running away from home to come to be with you. Let's take another card. What is the Seven of Swords and Seven of Swords in Aquarius's partner's position, Spirit? they don't want to wait anymore. Okay, they're wanting to, put down all the barriers that are in their way. They are blocking off anybody who's coming in their way to maybe come to you, and they're desperately wanting to sneak away and come to you. I am still very intrigued, Aquarius. I'm going to take one more card for your partner. My God, what's happening here? Why are they, what are they letting go of, and where are they running away to? Are they running to my Aquarius to start this new chapter? One more card, Spirit. They're feeling so abandoned right now. They're feeling so abandoned by you or the situation. They don't like being left out in the cold, and they're doing anything and everything in their power to kind of come away from this feeling. I'm still very intrigued. I want one more, Spirit. This is so interesting. One more card for Aquarius's person. What are these plans being made by that person? They don't want to wait. They don't want to wait. They don't want to wait. How many times am I going to take a clarifier for this? They don't want to wait anymore. They're tired of waiting. They're tired of waiting. They are resisting any kind of barriers that are in their way. And they want to sneak away, and maybe come to you because they don't want to be left, they're feeling alone and miserable without you. Oh my God, this is so exciting. So let's see this outcome card, which is the Ace of Pentacles. So what's going to happen here, finally? Is this person going to run away and, come running to you? And you seem pretty happy, Aquarius. Yes, you guys are going to take charge of your own lives. Okay? They're going to take control over the situation. You are both tired of waiting, and you both want this fresh beginning now. You're not waiting for nothing to, come in the middle or stop you guys now. Let's have one more card. You're unhappy that you are not being able to re-begin this, fresh start of stability and whatever. So I think that is the reason you've been going back and forth with a lot of people maybe in your life who've been trying to stop this union from happening, or maybe the circumstances of the world today, and you've been so conflicted. A lot of people have been giving maybe the advice and whatever, so you are not listening to anyone, and I think charging towards each other with a message. Expect a message, Aquarius. Okay, expect a message from your person, or maybe if it's a cross watcher, the Aquarius is going to send you a message that it's time to start working towards what we want ourselves, so that we can be together and have wish fulfillment. So this is going to happen really fast, Aquarius. It's going to happen really fast. So be prepared. Victory is going to be yours. That's for sure. Okay, you're going to have a sense of victory and feeling of happiness, and the sun is going to come right back up again. Okay, so that's a great reading. My God, this is almost like a Mills and Bones story here happening. Let's take an angel blessing card to see what is their advice to the situation, or what is their blessing that can be given to the Aquarius. You guys have had enough of waiting around, I think. Yes, so whatever stress and tension you've been feeling, healing is coming to your relationship, and it's already on its way, okay? Whatever you were feeling that it's not going to happen, and we have to wait for so long, the stress, tension, pain, that healing is going to come soon into your life. You both are, I think, going to be together this month, one way or the other. I think that's what I should call this, against all odds, coming together against all odds or something. There's a lot of will to be together. So Aquarius, let's take one more card for you. Not that it's needed, but let's take one more. Be childlike. You're going to be so happy. You're going to be like two children, okay? You're going to come together and you're going to start this brand new cycle of your lives. You're going to be excited to start, this new chapter of your lives, let's say. And it's all going to be excitement and happiness, and you're going to be like two children who've, finally been allowed to go to the park and play. That is so sweet. And Aquarius, if you see this little logo of Omkara floating on your screen somewhere, somewhere around here, please do click it. I want to know what's happening. I've been chasing this love story for some time, because there is definite victory coming to you. There's definitely victory coming to your lives. You guys have taken the bull by the horns. I think you are going to. So, love and light, take care, and see you soon.